This video examines the Atrial Fibrillation History Feature, a clinical and regulatory case study for Apple's Class II medical device, approved by the National Medical Products Administration. NMPA approved the software as a Class II medical device, with a validated lifespan of 20 years. The regulatory conclusion found that clinical benefits outweigh risks, and the product consistently meets its expected performance. The device's capabilities target patients aged 22 and older with a previously confirmed diagnosis of atrial fibrillation. Its core function is the retrospective estimation of AFib burden. It is not a diagnostic tool, a replacement for professional monitoring, nor intended for general screening. The system architecture involves 3 steps. Step 1, data acquisition by the Apple Watch. Step 2, AI processing via deep learning to distinguish AFib from non-AFib rhythms. Step 3, output calculation on the iPhone to provide a retrospective proportion of AFib duration. The tripartite preclinical validation pathway covered 3 pillars. Pillar 1, software reliability, assessed at a moderate safety level. Pillar 2, cybersecurity, rigorously evaluated with existing network risks deemed controllable. Pillar 3, AI algorithm viability, evaluated under specific AI medical device guidelines. The clinical trial was a prospective, multi-center, consistency design trial over 13 days. A total of 413 subjects were analyzed, divided into Cohort 3, non-permanent AFib, and Cohort 4, permanent AFib. Exclusion criteria included physical disabilities, open wounds, implanted cardiac devices, and AFib entirely controlled by medication. The primary endpoint was weekly AFib burden estimation accuracy. The mean paired difference was 0.88%, with a 95% confidence interval of -9.7% to +11.4%. This successfully satisfied the regulatory requirement, operating within the mandated ±12.5% agreement margin. Secondary endpoints included tachygram accuracy and consistency. Diagnostic accuracy against the Holter monitor showed high sensitivity and specificity. Time-bound consistency testing achieved 100% success for specific day burden estimates and 99.95% success for 4-hour window estimates. The subgroup analysis revealed high algorithmic consistency across disease stages. The mean paired difference was 0.94% for non-permanent AFib and 0.46% for permanent AFib, indicating high accuracy regardless of the patient's AFib type. The final risk-benefit synthesis identified user misinterpretation as the primary human risk. This is mitigated by strict design controls and explicit warnings. The final assessment determined that the profound clinical benefit of providing retrospective AFib burden visibility safely outweighs the manageable risks.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please reach out via email at info@whitneyconsulting.net or visit our website.